Hey everyone, welcome to Honest Straight Review, where I tell you the truth about products straight to the point. Today I'll be reviewing the ** Light Therapy X51. 1DG***, a light therapy device that promises to improve mood, energy, and even sleep quality. Does it really work? Is it worth the investment? Stick around until the end, where I'll break down the pros, cons, and my honest opinion. Quick overview of what's in the video, product presentation, testing, strengths, weaknesses, and final verdict. The ** Light Therapy X51 1DG** is a portable phototherapy device that emits bright white light to mimic sunlight. According to the manufacturer, it helps improve mood and reduce seasonal depression symptoms, boost energy and focus, and regulate sleep cycles, cortisol, and melatonin. It has adjustable intensity, is lightweight, and can be used at home or work. But is all of this true? Let's get to the final verdict. Pros, Easy to use. Just turn it on and position it at the right distance. Noticeable effect, after 10 and 15 minutes, I felt an energy boost. Portable, great for the office or travel. Adjustable, multiple intensity levels to suit your needs. Cons, pricey for first-time light therapy users. Requires consistency, 15-30 min day for results. Not a miracle cure. If you have clinical depression, it may not replace medical treatment. Final opinion, the ** Light Therapy X51 1DG** is great for those struggling with low energy, winter blues, or sleep issues. It works but requires discipline. If you want a natural aid, it's worth it, but don't expect instant miracles. My rating, I recommend it for remote workers or those living in low sunlight areas. If this review helped, leave a like and comment if you've tried light therapy. The official product link is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews. See you in the next video!